Fire that's burning out of control up the coast tonight. Firefighters have discovered the blaze seems to have started at the Colony, an experimental living community founded by author and behavior expert Dr. George West.
She's ready.
How's she look? She look all right to you?
Reports so far indicate that bodies have been discovered both inside and outside the Colony building.
Into a single?
Many of them burned beyond recognition in what authorities on the scene are calling a Guyana-like spectacle. Now for an exclusive eyewitness report on the incident, we welcome back
She shows any sign of freezing like the last
Karen
time, go
White.
right to commercial.
Karen?
Take one.
Good evening. From the day we're born, there is a battle we must fight, a struggle between what is kind and peaceful in our natures and what is cruel and violent.
What the hell is this, an editorial?
That choice is our birthright as human beings and the real gift that differentiates us from the animals. It is as natural to us as the air we breathe.
Did you pass this material? She's not reading
All
from
of
the
us take
prompter.
it for granted.
We changed it a little.
But now for some of us, that choice has been taken away. A secret society exists and is living among all of us. They are neither people nor animals, but something in between. Monstrous mutations whose violent natures
Ready one? Take one.
must be satisfied. I know what you're thinking because I've been where you are.
That's enough.
Leave it.
And it's possible
Leave
to
it.
imagine.
Cut. Leave it!
But I have proof, and tonight I'm going to show you something. Make you believe.
Holy shit!
What is this?
Wow!
What are you kids watching?
The news lady's turned into a werewolf.
Oh, boy.
La mujer se cambió en un lobo. Hijo.
Switch! Switch, damn it, switch!
Doesn't that look good? Tender, meaty chunks of tantalizing nutrition, soaked in
Things they do with special effects these days. Did you see the one about the guy in the spaceship?
It was real. He turned into a werewolf and they shot her.
You're plastic.
Doesn't mean it wasn't real.
Hey, Ernie, put a pepper steak on for me, will you? And a hamburger for the lady.
How do you want that?
How you want it, honey?
Rare.